TB is the place that I usually come in to get all my tires and wheels and rims installed. I've always had a great experience here. The team is phenomenal. This is the place I would rather come to than any place else. So you want to drive this one or you want to drive that one? Okay, and yeah, okay. All right. And we are about to start driving. Obviously, I need to go back. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and change the dynamic to chill. So we just got the wheels changed on the Model Y, the 2022 Model Y. This is the long range. So before we finalized the rims, the tires were the base. We did not want to change the tire brand, and like I said, they work pretty well. Having owned both these Teslas, we've gone through so many tires and we've finally figured out which wheels and tires work best, or specifically the tires that work best. And on the Model Y long range, and again, we had to keep the costs manageable. And the tires that we put on these, and they worked before, I put General Ultimax RT45s, all seasons. I bought them, the first set, in 2022, and we put 40,000 miles on the tires, and they lasted for 2 years, 40,000 miles. Like I said, they've been pretty good. Now, all in, it cost $1170 for these General Ultimaxes from NTB. We paid for the extended warranty because that does pay for itself. We've used it in the past, and NTB is pretty good with their warranty programs. And we did the same thing with the Model 3. For the Model 3, we kept the Hancocks because we use those and they work well for that car. If you look at, if I go down the trips here, I'll show you. So we've been doing about 294 as the average energy watt hours per mile that it's been doing. So we'll figure out how it's doing with these new tires and the new setup. These wheels that we got, and I'll put in the description, I'll show you the wheels that we got on this car. We bought them from Tire Rack for $900. They're the same spec as the original OEM ones, the 19-inch Geminis, but they are 2.5, or I think 1.5 pound lighter. So when you look at the energy consumption of, it's like 347.9. Obviously it's winter, so it's going to consume a lot, and obviously I was gunning it. So these are the original Geminis that we replaced. So you can see they were pretty scuffed up with curb rashes all around. And this is where the rim was cracked, this rim. And we definitely needed to go ahead and change the rims for sure. I had Continentals. These are the Ultimax RT45s. Again, you can see General brand. They're still good, but needed to go ahead and this was the Continental, and this is the problem. This is good comparison here. So you've got the General tires, which again, they were still holding up well. This was a replacement to a General tire that got torn up, and already this tire had worn more than the others. I do have the car scheduled to go in for an alignment at Tesla, but then again, so the wheels, the rims are the Borbets Y. The Model Y is what they call them, and they are electric gray. So another option is probably change these to chrome, or put the original Tesla logos in there. I'm gonna give that a shot, see how it looks. I talked to my brother, and we might paint the wheel, the calipers, and make it look nice.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive anymore.